sesisebenza isikhathi eside nawe si-affiliate noma singene ngaphansi kwe-mother body yelokhuzana ye-organization.
Thank you very much for Manginza for being working with you for a very long time since we are under your leadership, and we appreciate that.
Njengedela ngokubona South African Business Forum, so sisebenza ngokuzikhandla ekuthenini sekuhlaliwe kanje etafuleni uma kukhulunywa ngumuntu omnyama esuka kwi-community noma emphakathini wethu eza ngapha enkampanini, so sizwela kakhulu ubuhlungu uma ngabe ezophila ngaphansi kwencindezi yokusebenza kabuhlungu ngenxa yoncindezi eyenziwa ngabanye ababekwe undabezitha ukuthi ngalanga phezulu kunezwe kunabantu noma kunabafowethu abaphethe iy'nkampani abagcina becindezela abantu bakithi abamnyama.
Yeah, we feel very sad when there is an oppression within the company and some of the employees and also the business associates within the company that oppress the employees. We feel pain, and then that's why we seems to see the light in the end of the tunnel when such gathering and the meeting happens.
Kungakho-ke njengosimelane nje ngihamba all over ey'nsukwini nje ezimbalwa ngizoqhamula ngiye ngase-Johannesburg, ngibizwa ngakhona ikhona incindezi futhi ekhona kubantu bakithi abamnyama abacindezelwayo. Angi-advertise-ke iy'namba zami zocingo, but indlela engifike ngenze ngayo ukuyoreleasa labo bantu abaphila ngaphansi kwencindezi ey'nkampanini ezenziwa ngabafowethu abaphethe iy'nkampani.
Yes, and it is not only here that we have been seeing this operation happens, it's also across the country, and soon I will be traveling to Johannesburg to release some other baiting to the other employees so that they may not oppress our people anymore. They should do similar what Steinberg have done.
So i-strategy sabafowethu besinabo kwi-business forums besithi asikhulule abantu abamnyama ngaphansi kwencindezi, sibuyise umnotho ngokushesha kubantu bakithi abamnyama, radical economic transformation. So lena ebeyivele ingenzeki kwazeka ukuthi abantu abafanelwe imali abantu bebala, so noma abuyibona baphethe umsebenzi. So that's why ke manje ngibila-ke mina mangabe uzokhuluma ngomuntu omnyama isibethe ukuthi ngifike ngife lapho. Uma kuba kufanele ngiboshwe kuzofanele ngiboshwe, uma ngabe umnotho ungafiki kubantu abenza umnotho abale efieldini like SIT.
People that are the workers are the one who generate the economy of this country. So I feel very sad, and I'm willing to ngife. So I can die on behalf of them, so that the truth is important. That must be I sound quite a man for the magic.
Every company oppress abantu bakithi. Once they phone me, I can be there to release them. Thank
you. Any company that is treating people badly, they will deal with that company. But he hopes that as we are here in this kind of media briefing, it will set a tone for other companies and to be seen very clear that we can work together and in peace and in harmony. So where there are different issues, the issues may be resolved by sitting on the table, not fighting.